Good morning, students. Many happy returns of Raksha Bandhan, and hope you had celebrate Raksha Bandhan and remember many things related to COVID-19, keeping a distance, positive and healthy life. There are some of the questions related to chapter 3rd. Those were very important. A short answer type question may have what is flexibility is one of the important. Endurance. You have to write and define about endurance. And social wellness. What is social wellness? And body composition. There are 3 or 4 questions. Those were most important. Discuss the concept of positive lifestyle. And in long question, you have to explain it. I am telling you this because after a couple of days, maybe you are also having your exams, and practice in your laptops, mobiles, whatever facilities that you are having. Try to type it down and practice it at your home. Define wellness and explain the components of wellness in detail is one of the question that you have to remember, and mostly you have done in your worksheet which I had given to you previously. Any queries related to chapter 3rd you can ask to me, and if you are unable to understand any paragraph, question, any word, you can write in a group. I will explain to you. Now we are moving to chapter number 4, physical education and sports for differently abled. We have to understand this chapter is based for differently abled person, student, man or woman. How physical education and sports are interrelated with differently abled students, how physical education can improve their life, and what are the importance of physical education in their life. It is a very vast subject related to differently abled, and one of the important chapter for class 11th and for class 12th also. There are many questions related to differently abled. I would like to focus you that in our school there is a resource room where Raj sir and few other teachers, they are teaching them. We are talking about them also, and later on I will tell you many things related to physical education and sports, how we can help them and motivate them, guide them, lift their morale up. Before understanding sports for differently abled students, we have to understand aim and objective of adaptive physical education. There is a word adaptive. How we can adapt it, we can implement it, is one of the important aim and objectives of adaptive physical education. Now I want to focus you in a chapter children with various types of disabilities. There are various types of categories and disabilities such as mental retardation, deafness or hearing impairment. The children, those who are unable to listen voices, speech or language impairment. Sometimes we had seen the student, he is unable to say a proper word. If we are speaking English, sometimes we spell it in a Hindi form and our tongues roll again and again. That means we are unable to pronounce, and sometimes we take a long pause before talking to other, or sometimes the words are not clear. That is speech impairment or language, because we are talking. It can be in any language, English, Hindi or your mother tongue. Blindness, you know, we are unable to see. Orthopedic impairment, that is related to our bones. And one of the best example is polio, person suffering from polio. Autism is important. Autism, traumatic brain injury. Sometimes suddenly we have an accident and we hurt our brain. When we fell down by a motorcycle car, at that time, that is the situation, brain injury. Poor body mechanism, brain injury again. Health impairments related to health. An example is obesity, or we are unable to do work, or sometimes we do work and suddenly we feel that we are tired. Soon we are tired. Have the right to develop their abilities in a democratic society through the process of education. And what type of education in this we are talking about? A physical education. We are talking about physical education. Make underline it while reading this chapter. This is very important. Underline these few. You will remember later on. It will help you also. Not only passing out class 11, but in class 12. But you will help the society also in coming days. But usually it's seen that they have limited opportunities. Why they have limited opportunities? A blind person have a limited opportunities because he is unable to see. But now various studies are there to help him, to grow him. So it became the duty of a school to provide them with such opportunities so that they develop their abilities. Abilities can be in any form. Reading or writing is ability. To work at home is the ability. For the above mentioned impairment, special education or related to services are required. Such children are unable to undertake activities that are performed by a normal children. That's why they are impairments we are talking about, because they are unable to do a work just like a normal child or a people. The school must provide special education program for such children who are unable to receive benefits from regular physical education programs. That's why we are having a unit that is called a resource room. There are so many teachers to help them and guide them. Physical education or remedial physical education, corrective therapy development physical education, and physical education, individual physical education. Some of the common names of physical education: remedial, it remedies or help in remedies the problem whatever it is, and physical therapy. By physical education we can give a physical therapy also. Corrective therapy, we can correct that. We correct the center of gravity alignment of a child. His example is march pass. You can correct your center of gravity or develop it. Development physical education in individual physical education. Meaning of adaptive or adaptive physical education. In this program of physical education, education involves physical fitness, motor fitness, fundamental motor skills and patterns, dance skill, individual and group website sports. We involve these types of group games and sports. We have to understand the meaning of adaptive physical education. It can be defined as diversified program of development activities. Diversified. There are so many things. So many things. You cannot say one thing. There are so diverse. Many things are there. Games, sports, rhythms suited to interest, capabilities, limitation of students with disabilities who may not safely or successfully engage in unrestricted participation in general physical education program. This is the meaning or definition of adaptive physical education. You have to go through it, learn it, and write it in your